Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Shakira. Our consultancy name is Migra Study Consultancy Services. We are located in Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. I take care of all the operations and we process all kinds of student visas to various countries, and we also process work visas to USA and also EB5 green card for USA. So in today's video, let's talk about study medicine abroad, especially in Caribbean. We also have university recommendations in Uzbekistan as well. I'll make a separate video regarding that, but today let's talk about study medicine in Caribbean. Caribbean islands are very beautiful and they are very nearby to USA. I can say just 3 to 4 hours flight from USA to Caribbean. And nowadays many people from India as well, they are opting to study medicine abroad. I'll tell you what are the advantages for that, and many people from USA also, they are opting to study medicine in Caribbean, and they are very beautiful. Weather is also very good, and their spring admissions are open right now. Nowadays, due to high competition in India, even if you get good rank in NEET also, you might not get the college you are wishing for. So many people are opting to go to other countries and finish their education there, medicine. And also nowadays, if you want to study medicine in a private college in India, it is costing almost same as other countries. So that's the reason people are preferring to travel to other countries and finish their medicine here. Obviously, when you study abroad, that will give you a lot of experience and exposure. So this is a very good opportunity. Caribbean islands are very famous for education. Many people know that they are very famous for tourism, but for medicine also they are very famous. So even from US, many students, they are opting for Caribbean because in USA green card is necessary if a student wants to go for medicine. So sometimes what happens, if their parents are on H1, they cannot go for medicine. So that's the reason they offer Caribbean, so that they can pay lesser fee for the same degree, and also it's not too far. It's very near to USA. So for many students, whether you are watching this video from USA, you can contact us so that we can guide you, and we have our university representatives there. So if you are really serious about the admission, we will definitely arrange a meeting with them. So before going to that extent, let's talk about the basic requirements. And Caribbean islands are very beautiful, weather is very nice, and also security wise also it's very good. Security is nice, and because we have university reps there, and we have so many Indian faculty and so many Indian kids there. So it's like mini India, definitely. And so many Indian restaurants are also there, I heard. So it is a 5 years course, and last 2 years clerkship will be in USA. So that's the best thing. So that is a major thing why Indian students wants to go there and study, because last 2 years they can literally study in USA. Of course, in Florida and Chicago, they have two branches there. They can go there and do the clerkships. So meanwhile, you can find out how to write USMLE exams and how to settle down in USA. So that's the best thing. If your long-term goal is to go and settle down as a doctor in USA, this will be the shortest and best option, because nowadays you know how many problems are going on with all kinds of visas, and study directly in US will be a little bit challenging. So instead of that, this is the best path. You are taking a detour so that you can settle down in US ultimately. So, and getting visa and admission in Caribbean will be very easy. It's not like USA. So you will be studying your 3-year program in Caribbean University, and last 2 years you will be studying in USA. And also they will give support for USMLE exams as well. You need to be qualified in NEET and MCAT. You don't need to get higher marks or any high rank, just minimum qualifying marks should be there, because at the end of the course, if you want to come back to India and settle down, then NEET is must here according to Indian government, and you should be qualified in MCAT if you are from USA, and no need to give any English proficiency test like IELTS or TOEFL, medium of instruction should be in English. That will be enough. Even in India now, all intermediate colleges, they are teaching only in English, so that's enough. That will be enough, nothing more than that. And after the course, you can practice anywhere globally, because they are all accredited universities with all kinds of licenses. There are three intakes: fall, spring and summer. Fall intake is already over, September 1. January intake is open now, admissions are open. So contact me as soon as possible. My phone number is here. We will arrange a session with university representatives and you can ask them any questions. I know regarding security or regarding hostel facility, you will have so many questions. We will clarify all the questions. Hostel facility is available. You can stay outside as well. Indian food is available. Many Indian professors are there and many Indian students are also there. So that's not going to be a problem. And fee details also, just you WhatsApp me and I'll let you know. And we will also give university website so that you can go and check everything. It's open in website, all the fee details per semester, and even for hostel room how much they are going to charge, everything is open. Just to contact us, because January intake is open. Contact immediately, we will give you all the details. And also this is a very good opportunity if you want to settle in USA, or if you want to come back and practice here also. This is very good opportunity, and this is a recognized university, so your MBBS will be valid and recognized globally. So do contact us. We'll be waiting for your calls. See you later. Take care. Bye.